So my name's Larry Barnes. I work for the Georgia Department of Transportation, and I'm over the Emergency Operations section for GDOT. Today I'd like to talk about winter preparedness for winter weather. GDOT has been doing dry runs across all of our districts, looking at our trucks, inspecting them, repairing them. We also having folks ride routes to get familiar with the areas that they'll be working in. And today we'll have a group coming up that actually applies to brine. They'll be coming in today to go over the prosecution and progress of how we do it, and then they'll also be riding the routes. Now, one thing that helps us as we come through winter weather is to have the lanes clear where we can get through the road and treat the roads. And another thing that helps is when you see these trucks coming, know what they're doing, because they'll be escorted, they'll have lights with them. Please move over, clear the lane, let them get through and treat the road, because if we can't treat the road, we can't keep the roadway open.